Today I wanted to talk about planting silver maple from seed. And the beauty of silver maple is that the trees produce seed in the spring. So as you can see here, these two are silver maple that grew this spring, and they are simply a month old, yet they've had so much growth. They are probably really good for bonsai, and let's take a look at how to plant some right now. So here we have just some silver maple seeds, which I just picked up off the ground, actually in front of my house. And you could simply just like those, you could take this and you could stick it in the soil like so. So the seed part, which is this part, not the winged part, you just stick it in the soil, make sure it's covered up, and it'll start growing in a couple of weeks. If you want to help it along, however, you could take off the winged part. So take off the winged part, and then and then peel off the kind of like the skin, and then inside you will find the embryo. So squirrels actually also love to eat this, and you will find many empty wings. So there you go, that's the embryo. And just for educational purposes, let's further open this. Normally you could just plant this, but let's further open this to see what is contained within. And this is the same for a lot of plants, beans, whatnot. So you'll open it, and then you'll find within that it's green, and that these are actually the leaves that start it growing. Those are the cotyledons. So well, this one has been destroyed by me, so it's not going to grow. It's in two sections right now, but okay, that's fine, because these trees have thousands upon thousands of seeds, because they know squirrels are going to eat them. Some are going to get destroyed, some are not going to fall in the optimal place. So here's another one, and so there, you can just take that and you can plant it in the soil like so. Just put it there, cover it up, and that's it. With the last one, perhaps we can just take off the wing part and take this as is without opening it up any further, and again bury it in the soil, and that's it. So within a couple of weeks you'll get little trees like that, and I reckon they'll make really great bonsai. But for educational purposes, let's dig up this seedling and take a look at its root structure. So there you go. The root structure is as such. There's the seed that it came out of, and actually I was incorrect. The two sides were not cotyledons. They were, I guess, to feed the seedling. And then there's the root structure. So that's all only after about a month or maybe 6 weeks of growing. So pretty remarkable. Well, let's just bury this back in the soil so it can continue its life and grow into a nice, strong tree. Hope you guys are doing well and taking care. It's a great time to be gardening now.